How you liking the conference?
Absolutely amazing. And thank you so much for doing this, the lovely work which Breakpoint is doing and giving me an opportunity today to talk on this.
Okay, so I have one question for you. If you had a private AI agent for yourself, what would you like it to do for you?
Private AI agent to do everything, everything which I have to do, but on top of it to make sure that it looks into that whatever I am doing, there's an aspect of privacy which has been taken care of, where it tells me what data, which app is taking, what data, where it is going, and I have an entire, thing in front of me as to which app, what my data has been gone. But on top of it, then I want that the agent doesn't have my data. And I think it's a cycle that we have to understand that where do we stop when we talk about who's taking data, who do I give the permission, who do I give the consent, and where it is going. So I think AI to practically do everything. On top of it, making sure that AI is not taking my data, or if taking, doing it in a manner which is consensual, which is with security, because if that AI agent of mine is doing everything, that person practically knows more than anybody who knows about me, and if that gets leaked, it's a dangerous situation that I'll land into.
So you want a personal data privacy officer, is it?
Absolutely.
Okay, that'll be a great use case, and I think I'm sure will give you a lot of peace of mind. Thanks a lot for being on
Thank you.
Breakpoint today.
Thank you.